The Freelander 2, our latest addition to the family. I'm actually amazed how well it's managed to get down this track. We'll have a little look down here in a moment, but you saw that traction control kicking in, no problems at all whatsoever, and it's only on the normal road tyres at the moment. Reason why we've actually selected this car is it's actually surprisingly low insurance group. If you're a young learner or a young person under the age of 20, this one, which is the 2013 Freelander 2 on the black and white, is only insurance group 19. And I'm sure you'll be really surprised and happy to hear that that actually translates to only £1,100 on the insurance, which is amazing, because I know, well, it's Harvey's car. I know for Harvey, when he was actually looking at some of his other vehicles, such as the Corsa or normal types of cars, I know he also looked at a Kia Rio. All of those are actually more expensive than the good old Freelander 2. And what can I say? I mean, it's pretty amazing for the money that what you paid or what you actually get out of this. This one's the automatic. The automatics are actually better for off-road because it doesn't have the low range gearbox in it. Having the automatic just gives you that slightly lower gear ratio, and also you're not needing to slip the clutch. So it just drives perfectly well. And as I said, let's look at these, for example, what we've just been going over down here. This is not a normal green lane, I'd say. This is a proper piece of off-road. I mean, again, look at this. This is a good, what is that? That's a good, at least 1.5 foot type of area, and we had no problems at all. Again, traction control kicked in, took him straight up there, no problems. We'll actually probably show you the footage that we've just done, so you'll actually see that now. We've got some drone footage. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as I said, we're going to be doing some mods on the Freelander 2 as soon as we can get around to them. See you all soon. Thanks a lot. Let's actually watch Harv drive both the vehicles down here, make a bit of a comparison to how the Discovery 3 gets over these little undulations here. There's a little bit of cross-axle twist going on here. Obviously for the Discovery 3 it's no real problem whatsoever. It's going to be interesting to see how that compares when he brings down his new Freelander. See that bit of nice articulation going on there now. I might have to move out the way in a second before he doesn't run me over. Okay, it's going to be the Freelander up next. Right, let's see how he gets on with the Freelander in comparison now. Taking a similar line, maybe not quite exactly the same, but not far off of it. Obviously you can see there's nowhere near as much ground clearance compared to the Discovery 3, which is also obviously on its bigger tyres and jacked up considerably more. It's just coming to the first interesting cross-axle. Looking like it's not having too much problem. He's still got reasonable clearance underneath. I'm just going to give him a thumbs up so he can see that it's all okay. Here comes the first bit, that's it. He's going nice and slow and steady. It's looking cool. Maybe that's just off the ground now, I reckon, at the back there. Oh yeah, look, you can see his back wheel. I missed that, should have got that on the video. He had a real bit of wheel lift going on there. I expect his front wheel's going to probably come off the ground here now as well. Oh, maybe his back one. Maybe I should just set him to stay there. Hold there, second half. Let's have a look at this back wheel. Oh, wow. Okay, let's have a little look to see. Right. Okay, look at that. That's considerably off the ground there now. How's it going, Harv?
It doesn't feel as bad as you think it does.
Not as bad as you think it does. Well, you actually have now got, I'd definitely say you've got at least, what do we reckon that is? I reckon that's at least a good 20 inches of wheel lift going on there, I think. Yeah, just take it steady then and we'll see how you go down there. Take it steady, as steady as it goes. See that traction control working away there still as well, so that back wheel's not spinning, it's doing as it should do. No problem whatsoever. These Freelanders are really wonderful things. The Land Rover Freelander 2 started production in 2006 and ran through to 2014. The one in the film here is a 2013 and it's a special edition black and white. This came with a few interesting things with it as well, because in this upgrade they swapped over so you can see those LED lights in the front, also changed the lights on the back, and one of the really important things as well is that it does have the terrain response. That was missing on the lower S models previously. Mated up with that 148 brake horsepower 2.2 diesel engine, running on 17-inch alloy wheels. It also had the additional tinted black or blacked out windows in the back with it. Land Rover departed from their senses at one point and introduced a front wheel, two-wheel drive only model, so watch out and make sure you don't get one of those if you're wanting to take it off-road. The 2012 onwards models also come equipped with the centre display. This is very handy because you can also see your wheel position and it gives you information about the off-road conditions. You can improve the ground clearance with some suspension spacers. I've seen our friends over at Powerful UK have fitted some, so we might have a look at doing that in the future. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe and keep watching.